What up, y'all? It's your boy JRE. Right now, we about to check out SORN Scorpio. Now, this is SORN's second solo comeback since she is doing her solos. First one, Sharp Objects, Fire. Now we got Scorpio. I'm guessing you're a Scorpio. I don't know if anybody follows like any zodiac signs. I'm a Virgo. If you guys, I don't know if you ever knew that. I don't know. I don't think I've ever talked about zodiacs. But please put in the comments down below, what is your zodiac sign? What's your moon and what's your rising? My moon is a Capricorn, but my rising is a Pisces. I think. I don't know. Anyways, let's get into this. Let's go. Let's begin. Play my intro. There is subtitles. Isn't this wasn't Sharp Objects a full English song, if I'm not mistaken? Without further ado, let's check out the homie SORN Scorpio official music video, which I've been waiting for after Sharp Objects. Let's get it, let's go, let's get it! It's a galaxy far, far away. What?
Yeah.
Is she?
Like I'm running.
Hold up, before we start. Is that planet in the front Saturn?
Yeah.
We moving on.
Feel like I'm running away from myself.
Oh, she's so pretty. Okay, jewelry. Decked out. Probably 100K on her neck.
Feel like you're putting me down. You just gotta see it clearly. See it clearly.
See it clearly.
I close my eyes and lie awake and hear my own voice.
That, me too. My own voice. Okay, let's go. Ooh, as you should. What you do? Oh, you howl. Now I have to picture SORN howling at the moon. That was an interesting image. Ooh, okay, set. Ooh, Wait, hold on. Go again. Ooh, she look good. What? Fuck me? For me or fuck? What? We waiting. Okay, let's go. Sounds good so far. I like the path she's going, actually. Like, I like the songs she's been, like, I remember the first solo was very poppy, very Disney. I would say Disney-esque. Like, it's very innocent, you know, like, I'm free, like, kind of ish. Then the second one, Sharp Objects, but this is under a new company, I think. Wild. I like it. It sounded like an intro of a heavy drama Netflix series. And now we got Scorpio. Ooh, I love the coloring and lighting of this music video too. They do. They be do. Don't. The voices talk in my head. Noises is annoying sometimes. It be like that. I mean, she has to be a Scorpio. She literally has a tattoo of a scorpion. That's dedication. Ooh. Let's go, SORN. Get them ooh-oohs. Bro, hearing this makes me feel, this is a shower song, I feel. What you waiting on? Ooh, Shattered Diamonds are still flawless. Okay. Ooh. Okay. Your eyes. Till the moon. There we go. Are you a full Scorpio rising? I actually don't know. Don't quote me, please. I like her jewelry. Ooh. Okay, son. Okay. Oh, but she howls at the moon like that. Okay, let's do it her way. Ooh, okay, vocal. Lose. Ooh, see, that's me. That's me in the shower right there. I am that backup vocal. That's me. That's not her. That was me. Look at me. Oh, let's go. So pretty. Hey, vocals be hitting up too. Let's go. Ooh, who directed this music video though? Or okay, look at that. Is that your tattoo? Wow. Does it say who directed it? Oh, look me. Go check it out, guys. New video. Let's say. Oh, we got lyrics. Music. Hey, let's go. That's the team right there. Music. Soft serve boy. What's poppin'? What? What's poppin'? Adian, talent. Vanessa, talent. SORN, talent. That's that team right there, my guy. Alright, SORN. I feel like this one shows her her vocal a lot more than Sharp Objects. Sharp Objects is just a chill vibe in the club kind of feel like. But this one makes me feel more free. This feels like a shower song to me. So definitely when I take a shower, I'm gonna be singing this. I'm gonna be howling at the moon. Anyways, guys, put a comment down below what you guys think. Like this video, share this video, and subscribe. And yeah, shout out to SORN. Shout out to you. Congrats on the solo. Alright, y'all. Peace.
If you want more content, catch me on Twitch on Jrekml. I'm there every day.
Hey, you better subscribe.
I'm sipping on soju. Hey, do I know you? He got an ex, so that joint is old school. I'm in it like swimwear.